Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we will show you which fuses and relays correspond for the powertrain on Ford Fiesta MK7 generation 2008-2017. We have a 2015 Fiesta ST here, and you have two fuses and one relay for the powertrain. If the vehicle doesn't want to start, if something is wrong, if it's in limp mode, you definitely need to check those. So let me show you now, okay, which ones they are. Okay, you have one big fuse now. Okay, the fuse is number 9. Okay, this is number 9, and when you remove the cover, okay, right here, you can check it out actually which one it is. This one right here. So we'll gently pull it out with 2 screwdrivers. Okay, and show you how to replace this one. Still a little bit tight. Okay, I'll just pull. Okay, right here. This is one of the fuses. Another fuse, okay, we'll replace this one. That could be is fuse number 32. Ours is 7.5 amps. So you pull this one as well. Okay, right there. This is the other fuse. You can check them against the light to see on the inside if they're burnt or not. Okay, we'll replace this one. And next you have one relay, which is number 3. This one right here. So grab it and pull it out as well. Okay, and this is the number. If yours is the same like ours, we'll have the links in the description of the video right here. So we'll replace this one with a new one as well. So that will be guys for the powertrain fuses. If you're in a hurry to find them and you don't have a manual, hopefully the video was helpful. Please subscribe, we'll be taking part of the whole car. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.